This video, I will show you how to use custom fonts in Google Slides. So to get started, go ahead and open Google Slides on your browser, and then in here, go ahead and click on the area where you want to use custom fonts, and then click on the font section, and then in here you can basically click on more fonts to look for more fonts available on Google Slides. But if you want more fonts that are not available on Google Fonts, you can go ahead and install an extension on Google Slides. So go ahead and close this up first, and then go ahead and click on extensions at the tool section. So click on add-ons and then click on get add-ons, and then in here go ahead and search for fonts. So use the search bar at the top of your screen to look for fonts. So adding extensions into your Google account will allow you to be able to get more selection of fonts. So click on extensions fonts, since this extension is a popular extension that you can find on Google Workspace, and then click on the extensions fonts in the results section, and then click on install inside it to be able to install this extension into your Google Workspace. So once you have installed this extension, you'll be able to use and access the fonts that are not available on Google Fonts, which you can find on extensions fonts. And that is how you can basically use custom fonts in Google Slides.